If you want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm Base Box and Boxycharm Premium, keep on watching. Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings. Well, as of late, not as much. Skincare and makeup tutorials, and then I also do product reviews along the way. So right now as consumers, we have to be a little bit wiser on how we spend our money, because not everyone, has as much disposable income as we once used to. I definitely know I don't at this point. And so I'm going to show you guys what I got in both my Boxycharm base box, which the Boxycharm base box is a $25 a month subscription, and it's supposed to come with 5 full-size items along with a minimum value of $120. Now the Boxycharm Premium is a $35 a month subscription, and it's supposed to come with 6 to 7 full-size items with the minimum value of $175. Now, the one thing that I do want to note is Boxycharm does not go based off our beauty profile quizzes as of yet, but they do go like for complexion items to make sure they get like your right skin tone, blush, and things like that, or they're supposed to. And they do allow us to do one choice item per box. So for example, next week, I forgot the dates right now, but I'll post them on the screen. Next week will be our choice day for base box and premium box. So make sure you're one of the first to make your choice. Otherwise, the good stuff goes fast. But anyways, let's get to it and let's open up my boxes. Don't have a table like I normally do. I have to keep it on my lap. So I'm gonna start off with my base box right here. I did cut the slit open because I wanted to make it easier on myself. So let's see what we got, because this is kind of small, I won't lie. Whoa. Ooh, they sent us cards this time, yay. So this is my little card. It has discount codes. Oh, and it has the dates. No. So let's see. Does it have the dates? Oh no, it doesn't. Normally it has the dates back here on when our choice windows are. So again, I'll make sure to post them on the screen. But anyways, so the first thing I got was a makeup eraser. Now I do have makeup erasers. I do like them. I don't use them as often as I should because I usually use my regular towel, but honestly, I really do love these. This is a very nice towel. You want to wash it once before you start using it. Otherwise, you can see all the fluffies. But very cute, very, very soft, great to remove your makeup versus using the makeup wipes. Makeup wipes are not good for the environment and they're not good for your skin. Most makeup wipes that I know of are so drying, especially to those that have very dry skin like myself. And the makeup eraser retails for $22. Now this was my choice item right here. This is the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice. This retails for $48. I love Elemis products and I'm very excited to try this. This is meant to give you, it says loaded with vitamins packed with superfoods and 75% organic alloy. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling and hydration, helping to soothe and hydrate sensitive skin. It's vegan friendly formula, moisturizes and improves the skin texture. Cool. Now I'm not excited for these. I hate liquid. I've literally every single time Boxycharm sends me liquid highlighters, I rate them the lowest. I don't care what brand they are. I'm not comfortable with them at all. And I still have not opened the one we got from Cover FX like 2 years ago. But this one is $41, so such a waste in my opinion. I would have, anyways, I'll leave it at that. Next, I got the Benefit Professional primer. This retails for $32. Now, this one's kind of weird in my opinion because based off my profile, I should have gotten the hydrating formula, not the regular mattifying formula. And I will tell you, I've tried this in the past and it didn't work that great on my skin. So I was actually looking forward to trying the hydrating one because this was too mattifying for me, even using it on my T-zone. Now, the last thing I got, which is super cute, is these Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection, which retails for $29.99. And it says they're vegan and cruelty free. Cute little pouch. Oddly enough, I was looking for a new eye set. Well, I'm looking to expand my brush collection just for eyes because I needed smaller detail brushes, which this definitely fits the bill. They feel very nice. I like that little line brush right here. This is very cute. This one's okay. Feels good. Not too hard, not too soft. Yeah, but definitely I love these. $30 retail basically. So I'm not gonna lie, and I'll put, again, I didn't look at the box beforehand, so I'm gonna put the total here since I didn't total it yet. But it's a decent box. It's just, I'm not very excited, especially with seeing so many other variations out there. Even though I did like 3 of the 5 items, I'm just, where's the makeup? You know what I mean? I mean, yeah, like, I don't know. Let me know what you think of my base box. Next is my premium box. Again, this is $35 and we're supposed to get a minimum of $175 in value. Just kidding. Ugh. I already see something. So I got card on this one, so at least that's good. I'm 2 for 2 on cards because the last few months I have not received a single card. So this right here is the Smashbox LA cover shot, retailing for $45. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too excited for this palette. I was actually hoping to try the Life's a Drag one. I mean, this is very pretty. Oh, that's neat. So it comes with the eyeliner and here are the colors. Again, this is just so neutral. I have so many neutral palettes. It comes with a nice mirror. It's very weighted, so that's cool. But again, it's not, I wish they would have honestly allowed us to pick this item right here, like the palette. I wish they would have allowed us to pick the palette. I will say they've upped their packing, that's for sure. Oh yeah, this is my choice item. This is from Peach and Lily, the Good Acid Pore Toner. This retails for $39. This is a pH balancing toner, helps gently slough off dead skin, preps your skin. I honestly love toners. I've always heard great things about Peach and Lily. Sorry, my glasses keep sliding down. And this says it has Cape Lilac, eggplant, and turmeric. Ooh, that's good for your skin. And it's to help soothe and nourish. So gently, so I'm excited to definitely try this. Again, this was my choice item. Ooh, it comes in a nice glass bottle too. What is this? This says Lavado Age Away Replenishing Cream. Retails for $69. To firm, hydrate, and repair for dry, mature skin. So I'm old. That's why I'm getting this cream. I'm not excited. I have so many creams. I'm looking at my 2 other items, and again, I'm like, where's the makeup? $69. This is from M Greengrass. It's the Beach Air. Beach Air. What is that? It says Beach Air Dry Oil Spray. Multi-use for body, face, and hair. This fast-absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with blended of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior. So it's, I guess, some kind of body spray to help moisturize. All I know is I've seen a lot of this stuff in our December Boxy Luxes, so I'm not sure. I don't know if I said that retails for $36. This is the IGK Good Hair. It's basically an anti-frizz spray, and it retails for $32, which I got something similar before, was the charcoal detox. And I got an R&Co one as well. So I'm like, that's a lot of dry shampoos when I've said I don't like them. Like, I don't like putting a lot of aerosol products in my hair because my hair is already difficult to maintain. Anyways. Now this is from Nude Sticks right here. This is the Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. Retails for $28. It says a light matte velvety texture. I don't know, you guys. I'm looking at my 2 boxes. Yes, I know they're over the retail value, but I'm looking at the 2 boxes and I'm like, where's the makeup? Like, I got virtually all skincare related products in my boxes. I got 1 eyeshadow palette, and then I got a primer on the other one with brushes. I've seen so many other better variations that I'm just like, I almost feel that me prepaying for the year is the reason why I'm getting shit variations as of late, in my opinion. They feel, well, she's locked in, now she can't cancel, which is honestly a shame because I was really looking forward to this box. I saw so many awesome variations, and again, there's some decent stuff in here, but more than half is kind of a waste in my opinion. For me, in my case, I really hope Boxycharm begins to look and pay attention to our beauty quizzes and our reviews, because they are not. If they truly did, they would stop sending me liquid highlighter. They would stop sending me all these sprays. You know, I don't like them. You know, send me a regular lotion, not a spray lotion. I don't like that type of stuff personally. I don't know. Again, with all the spoilers they showed, and then they showed the Natasha Denona blush, I'm very disappointed. Like, I really, really am. They showed all these beautiful items in variation, and I'm literally getting items that were not shown. Like, maybe they're being shown now. I haven't looked in the last couple days. But I only got the palette plus my choice item that were already, you know, teasers in advance. So it's very disheartening in a way, because most of them were not spoilers of any sort. I didn't get virtually none of the spoilers. But anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you guys think my box was worth it, or would you be like me, kind of like, like it wasn't that great, you know? Don't forget also, before we head out, is I do have an active giveaway, so make sure you guys leave a comment on what you guys think of my box. That way I know you watched the video, and that's considered an extra entry if you watched the first video, and I will make sure to pin it as well if you haven't, for my Monday's video. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing great. Remember to stay safe and be cautious as you're out when you need to go out for essentials. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.